Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to perform hard reset for your PowerBuds. You have to start by open the application and now go to device here. Then click on general and right here I have factory reset. Click on it. Now it asks us to remove these earbuds from the charging case, so let's make it. And then click factory reset. Continue. Now, we wait long, so maybe it's a kind of bug, and let's check it in the settings. And if you have disconnected your earbuds here, you can just click on it, and if it asks to forget the device, it makes that we perform a hard reset. So click this forget device and now put your earbuds to the charging case. Now it should enter to prank mode automatically, but if it doesn't, we can also add it manually by press and hold on this connection button. So press and hold until this LED light starts flashing. Here we go, and now we should see it at the device list. Click on it, and cool. As you can see, it still tries to perform factory reset, so you can just remove your application from the app, open it again, and now, as you can see, we make it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!